Hello guys, welcome to my channel All About Products. We're here with more awesome products from AliExpress and Amazon. Links are in the description, so don't miss them. Don't forget to subscribe and click the bell for more update. Let's get started. Introducing the Ninja Foodie Never Stick Cookware, engineered for unmatched durability and performance. Featuring a superheated plasma ceramic surface fused at 30,000 degrees Fahrenheit, it creates a textured, non-stick layer that won't chip, flake, or peel. The hard anodized exterior resists scratches like stainless steel, while the heavy-gauge 4.5mm aluminum base ensures fast, even heat distribution. Oven-safe up to 500 degrees Fahrenheit, this cookware transitions seamlessly from stovetop to oven for versatile cooking. With ergonomic stainless steel handles and a tempered glass lid, it's designed for comfort, control, and moisture retention. From searing and sautéing to baking and broiling, it delivers professional results with easy cleanup every time. Introducing the Gorilla Grip Drawer and Shelf Liner, designed to keep your items securely in place with its strong, slip-resistant grip. It protects drawers and shelves from scratches, spills, and everyday wear. Easy to trim to any size or shape, it offers a perfect fit for any space. Plus, the liner is simple to clean, making maintenance a breeze. Introducing the Bestier Baker's Rack with LED lights, designed for both style and function. It features 8 metal hooks, a spacious drawer, and extra storage space to keep your kitchen organized. The transparent door is smoke and dust-proof, keeping your items clean and visible. An adjustable shelf adds flexibility, while built-in LED lights create a modern touch. Introducing the KitchenAid Food Chopper, your compact kitchen helper for quick and easy prep. Equipped with a durable stainless steel blade, it effortlessly chops and purees ingredients in seconds. Perfect for everything from veggies to sauces, it's a time-saving essential for everyday cooking. Introducing the Fendia Food Dehydrator, a powerful 1,200-watt dryer with 12 stainless steel trays for large-capacity drying. Ideal for jerky, herbs, fruits, and more. It features a 24-hour timer and adjustable temperature control up to 190 degrees Fahrenheit for precise results. The built-in overheat protection ensures safe, worry-free operation. Its spacious design allows you to dehydrate in bulk, perfect for meal prep or healthy snacks. Durable and efficient, it's a must-have for any kitchen. Introducing the 5-tier coffee bar station, a stylish and space-saving solution for coffee lovers. This farmhouse-inspired stand features 4 S-shaped hooks for mugs or utensils, and multiple shelves for storing coffee makers, supplies, and decor. Perfect for small spaces, it fits beautifully in kitchens, entryways, or living rooms. Versatile and functional, it doubles as a baker's rack or storage cabinet. Introducing the dish drying rack, designed for both flexibility and stability to keep your kitchen organized. With adjustable length and height, it fits perfectly over most sinks, while the double-shaped rack and reinforced hoarding ensure it stays stable and won't tilt forward. Made from high-quality stainless steel, it's durable, rust-resistant, and easy to clean. Water drains directly into the sink, preventing mess and promoting hygiene. This smart design maximizes space and brings a sleek, tidy look to any kitchen. Introducing the Glass Teapot, a heat-resistant and elegantly designed kettle with a clear, transparent body that lets you enjoy the beauty of brewing tea. It features a stainless steel removable infuser for easy steeping and cleaning. With a comfortable portable handle, it's ideal for both home and office use. Introducing the Glass Honey Dispenser, an elegant kitchen essential for tea, pancakes, and baking. Simply remove the top, insert the stopper, fill the dispenser, and attach the top. When ready to use, remove the stopper, And press the trigger to release honey smoothly and easily. It pours effortlessly and stores cleanly, making it a must-have for every kitchen. Introducing the Toshiba rice cooker, the perfect solution for cooking healthy, low-carb rice. With its innovative induction heating technology, it removes up to 37% of unhealthy digestive starch and increases healthy resistant starch by up to 34%. This multifunction cooker is ideal for cooking 1 to 2 cups of uncooked rice, offering 8 preset menus to suit all your cooking needs. Enjoy tasty, nutritious rice every time, with the added benefit of a low-carb, healthier option. A must-have for anyone looking to make healthier meals effortlessly. Introducing the electric milk frother, a cordless stainless steel frother that delivers velvety, rich foam for your favorite drinks. With induction heating, it creates both hot and cold foam, perfect for lattes, cappuccinos, and more. Easy to use and clean, it's a sleek addition to any kitchen. Introducing the frozen fruit soft-serve dessert maker, a fun and easy way to create healthy treats at home. Simple to assemble and use, it transforms any frozen fruit into creamy soft serve in minutes. With dishwasher-safe parts and 2 color options, cleanup is a breeze and style is guaranteed. Introducing the sealer machine, designed to keep your food fresh longer with powerful suction and a secure seal. Simply create a vacuum bag, place it in the vacuum chamber, and press down firmly on both ends. The digital countdown timer and seal function ensure precision every time. It also features an external vacuum function, perfect for sealing jars and containers with ease. Introducing the 4-hole omelet pan, perfect for making multiple omelets or pancakes at once, saving you time in the kitchen. Made from food-grade materials, it's free from harmful chemicals for a healthier cooking experience. The non-stick coating ensures easy flipping and hassle-free cleaning. Comes with a lid, silicone brush, and spatula for a complete cooking set. Introducing the Bear Yogurt Maker, a 4-in-1 machine that lets you make yogurt, Greek yogurt, cheese, and fruit wine effortlessly. With a smart microcomputer timer and adjustable settings, you get perfect results every time. The 100 mesh strainer helps create thick Greek yogurt, while BPA-free glass jars ensure safe and healthy cooking. Easy to use and clean for a hassle-free experience. Tired of spending too much time chopping veggies? Introducing the Vegetable Chopper, your kitchen game changer. With interchangeable blades and spiralizers, you can switch inserts in seconds for the perfect cut. The spacious catch tray keeps your workspace mess-free, while the safety lock ensures secure use. Plus, it's easy to clean with the included tools. Prep faster, cook smarter, make chopping fun, quick and simple. Busy schedule? Let the manual slow cooker do the work. With a spacious 7-quart capacity, you can cook hearty meals for the whole family. Set it to high for a quick, hot meal or low to let dinner cook while you're away. The warm setting keeps food at the perfect temperature until you're ready to serve. Plus, one-pot cooking means fewer dishes to clean. The removable stoneware is microwave, oven, and dishwasher safe for ultimate convenience. Delicious meals made easy. Silicone popcorn popper, made from the best food-grade silicone. Super easy to use, simply stretch it out. Place in the kernel's measuring line is located inside, so you don't have to worry about overflow cover, then place in the microwave. Designed with a built-in heat-resistant handles for easy handling, the bowl is uniquely engineered to spread heat evenly, so not a single kernel is wasted. It's collapsible. Space. Saving design allows you to store it away or use it anywhere conveniently. Easy to clean and dishwasher friendly. No faster hassle. Just kitchen happiness with every bowl of popcorn has simple tool that does. its job perfectly. Get yours today. Meet the Magic Bullet, your all-in-one kitchen helper. It's compact, powerful, and perfect for everyday use. Create smoothies, omelets, sauces, dips, and more in seconds. Fast, versatile, and easy to use. Get yours today. Day right with the mini single serve K-Cup coffee maker. Brew the perfect 6 to 12 ounce cup in minutes. Compact, stylish, and designed for small spaces, with built-in cord storage for a clutter-free counter. Enjoy convenience and style in every sip. Premium oil dispenser bottle, designed for convenience and precision. Made from thick, unbreakable, lead-free glass, it features a wide opening for easy refills and a built-in straw with a filter to remove impurities. With dual spray control, press slowly for a columnar spray or quickly for a fan-shaped mist. The backflow hole design prevents leakage, ensuring a mess-free experience. Perfect for cooking, grilling, and dressing your favorite dishes. Thanks for watching. Now it's your turn. Drop your favorite in the comments below. Until next time, keep learning and keep exploring.